Hey guys, in this video I'll be teaching you the basics of editing in Fortnite. So this is the start of a series where I'll be showing you different aspects of the game, showing you different mechanics and how you can become a better overall player. So today we will start with the basics of editing, and for that we will hop into an edit practice map, and I'll start with showing you the most important edits and how you can practice them. So let's hop onto Fortnite and join into this map right here. This is the island code of the map we'll be using today. Just type that in. You can type the island code in right here. Just type in the island code right here, and then you'll be able to find the map, and then hit play, and I'll meet you in the map. While you're loading in, don't forget to like and subscribe. So if you like these kinds of videos, or if you want to get better at the game, I'm going to be launching a series of 10 videos on different aspects of the game. And if you want to see more of that, just subscribe and comment down below if you have any questions, or if there's any aspects of the game you want me to focus on, then I can definitely do that for you guys. So once you've started the game, you spawn into this map right here. There's tons of edits you can practice. First, we will be starting with the different edits on the different building pieces. So if you already know this, you can skip ahead to what edits you should practice after you know these basics. So let's start off with the wall. I'll show you the most important ones first, and then some extra ones that are good to know. So this one is the most important one. If you just want to run through the wall, these 4 boxes, keep your crosshair as small as possible here. And that's the basic one to use when you want to run through the wall. Then this top right corner is really important too. This gives you a really good peek shot. If some enemy is on the other side, you can jump up and shoot. We'll talk more about peeking in another video, but that's that. Then you can also do a window, and those are the 3 most important ones. Then you can also do a door. You can do this top row. You can do the second row as well. You can do these ones right here. You can do the top corner on both sides, whereas the right one is more important, like we did at the start. You can also do this edit on both sides. You can also do a smaller version of this, and this big arch right here. So these are the most important wall edits. Then, moving on to the stair, there's also 2 important things you can do right here. So you can see it has 4 sides with each 3 boxes. Now, if we want to edit the stair in half, we start in one corner box and stay on the same side and go to the opposite corner box. And this works in any direction, so on any side. You just have to go corner to corner, not diagonally, corner to corner like that. And here, good thing to know is always where you start is going to be the bottom of the stair, so the bottom's going to be right here if I start here, and it's going to finish up top. Always where you start, that's going to be the bottom. Where you finish, that's going to be the top. Now if you want to flip the whole stair, you don't start in a corner, you start in a middle box, so one of these right here, not the complete middle, but one of these sides. Always where you start is going to be the bottom, so I can't start here because this is already the bottom. So I have to start over here, for example, pull to me, and the bottom is over there, and the top is right here. Now if I want to flip this stair right again, I start at my feet in the middle box and pull over here. Works on these sides as well. And that's the main stair edits, those 2. And then you can also do things like this, like here a stairway, or just a half stairway like that. That's the main things for the stair. Now, last 2 building types are floor and cone, pretty easy. Let's do cone first. Cone, you can do 2 important things. You can either make it into a sort of ramp, so you can run up. For this, you just edit the 2 tiles further away from you. Now, if you edit the 2 closer to you, then you can go down somewhere. So 2 closer to you to go down, 2 further away to go up. Then you can also do singular ones. Always, each box you press, that's the part of the cone that's gonna go up. You can also do something like this, and maximum of 3. Yeah, that's the cone. Then last thing you can do with the floor. With the floor, always the box you press is gonna open up. If you want to disconnect something, you can disconnect it right here, it'll break. And you can do as many as 3 boxes. Just make sure you have it connected to something so it doesn't break like that. And yeah, if you want to go down, do this one. If you want to go up, you can do the same. Good, so that is the most important edits. Now, try out these edits, and in the next video I will show you how to use this map and how you can practice the edits we just did in this map. So start off with these, start off with the basics, and then check out the next video to see what you could practice in here.